Google Translate's like really clutching him right now. Except it failed me. It's just Google Translate on my phone. It's easy at this point. Yo, why are you so buff?
Water.
Water. Isn't it water? Water? Water?
Sea.
Am I supposed to know this?
Sea. 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 Sea.
Oh, it's asking for in English. Oh, okay. I can't read that. Bro, his mustache goes up when he's
Coffee. Coffee and tea.
Oh my god. Is that happening in real life? What? Oh, it's oh whoa, I've never seen this. Okay, so it's like a text message. That's cool. This is always a good idea. Okay. Ugh, hate this. This makes me feel stupid. What is it asking me?
Coffee. Sugar.
I feel like English is both an easy and a hard language to start learning. Coffee.
Coffee with milk or sugar?
What are these voices? I don't know any language apparently. Good morning. With milk. With milk. Yo, I want a morning with some. Who drinks milk in the morning? I only drink milk at night. I'm pretty sure almost every child was like fed with that lie where they say like you'll grow taller if you drink milk every day, which is bullshit. Why? Good morning. I am Tom. Fuck yeah.
Hello, I am
Why
Lily.
is he speaking? That's so that's so gross. I hate that.
You are Ben, right?
Why does he sound so seductive? I don't like this. I feel uncomfortable.
You
Oh.
are Ben,
What?
right?
Please stop being so seductive. It makes me very uncomfortable.
Excuse.
What? What? What's the Japanese? I don't know any Japanese. The only reason I know what water is, mizu, is because I saw that one clip.
Mizu?
That one animator who does like Niji Sanji En animations. One of them was of Sunny Briscoe, and it was just him saying mizu in like different voices. That's it. That's the video. I seen people being stalked by that bird. No, thank you. This lesson. Yeah.
ご飯と水です。
ご飯と水です。ご飯。
かっこいい医者です。かっこいい医者です。かっこいい医者です。
Yay! Trying to concentrate. Yo, what the f- 125. That's actually not okay. Who's that dedicated? This is actually kind of cool though.
あ、い、う、え、お。あ、い、う、え、お。
I like that.
か、き、く、こ。
お。
か、き、く、け、こ。
Akikukeko. I'm noticing a trend here.
きょ。
Chaos? I call it fun.
Sorcerer? I hardly even know her.
If you know, you know.